Now take a look at note number 28. We're going to discuss the garbage that's under the radical sign in the quadratic formula. That's the b squared minus 4ac. It has a special name. It's called the discriminant. And it'll help you predict the number of real solutions when you're solving a quadratic equation, a second-degree equation, without even doing any work. All you need to do is determine what the discriminant is, the sign of the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. If that value is positive, that means you're going to get two real solutions if you solve the quadratic equation. If the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, you're just going to get one real solution when you solve. And if the discriminant is negative, you'll get no solutions, no real solutions. Now, if you just stare at the quadratic formula that solves quadratic equations and consider what each of these cases mean, you'll be able to understand where this idea came from. It came from just meditating on the quadratic formula. So let's try this. We're going to do an example here where we predict the future. We determine how many answers, how many real solutions we're going to get to a second-degree equation without actually solving. So here's our example. We're given a second-degree equation, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. And we're asked to find the discriminant and the number of real solutions without solving the equation. Solution? Well, all we need to do is calculate what the discriminant is. So write down the equation you're given, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. And model that after ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the standard form of a second-degree equation. And from inspection, we see that means our a value, the number multiplying x squared, is 4. Our b value, the number multiplying x, is negative 12. And our c value, the number added at the end on the left side, is positive 9. Now you be careful with that negative 12. That has a negative sign in it. Okay, let's determine the discriminant then. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4 times a times c. In this case, it's parenthesis negative 12 squared minus 4 times negative 12 times 9, which is equal to 144. Oh, let's see, did I do that right? 144 minus 144. Minus 4 times a. Oh, that's not a. There's my mistake right there. The a value is 4. So it's negative 4 times 9. That's where the negative 144 comes from. And that's equal to 0. So our discriminant is equal to 0. And that implies, according to note number 28, that we have exactly one real solution for this particular problem. Now, we didn't find out what that solution is. We just found out how many there are. And that's what they asked us to do.